Great work, you installed the extension and now we're ready for our next and final step. After we install the extension, you will be brought to the welcome page, and here we will click on Get Started. And then we will see two screens. We are going to go ahead and fill in the details on screen number 2. So I filled in my details on screen 2 and then I clicked on Next. The next few steps we will be granting permissions. We will require access to your camera, microphone, and screen sharing. The first permission will be microphone. If you don't get a prompt to give access to microphone like I'm getting here, have a look at the tips under how to allow microphone. And when you're ready, click Next. Next, we will allow camera access. Again, if you are not prompted automatically, check out the How to Allow Camera section. And next, we will allow screen sharing. Once you're done, click on Share Screen. Here you will see a pop-up screen where you can select a preview of the screen you wish to share, and then you can go ahead and share it. I'm going ahead and sharing this one. And that's it. Now you're ready to go. Remember, we are not testing you, so you can't do anything wrong. Your feedback is really valuable to us. Thank you again for participating in this research.